Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a peach dump cake using your crock pot. First, you're going to make sure you wash your hands. All your utensils are clean and your area as well. So we're going to start off with our peaches. Put those in. You can drain them a lot more than I did if you like. You can add cinnamon, nutmeg, etc., a little bit of sugar. So while we're doing this, the crock pot is already heating up. So you're going to put your yellow cake mix on top of that. Kind of evenly distribute it around and then kind of break up the cake mix as well on the top for that crumbly effect. So now you're going to put your stick of butter on top. You can cut it up as well, but I usually just put the whole stick on top. And your crock pot should be on high. Alright, so I'm going back to check. The butter's starting to melt down. Alright, so you want to go back and check. So now it's starting to get there. Now finally, it is ready. It's browned, it's crumbly, and bon appetit. Go ahead and put it on your plate. You could add whipped cream, you can add ice cream to it. In this one, I'm gonna add ice cream. It's a really great treat, and you can use different fruits as well. You can do apple, cherry pie filling, just about anything you like. Alright y'all, thank you for watching. I'll have more details on this recipe in the description box. Enjoy!